I ain't ready yet.
Wait. Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here. Back at it again with the back at it again. And as you guys can tell, I'm feeling my new hair. Okay? New weave, new me. Okay? New weave, new me, new titties. Guys, I didn't get no new titties, so don't ask. But yeah guys, that's how I'm feeling right now. Like, I'm just loving, just look. Okay, look how luscious this hair is, guys. And yes, I'm rocking my Pride makeup. Okay, just something light. I will be doing a tutorial on another look, not this look. If you guys do want a tutorial on this look, definitely let me know. Okay, let's zoom in. Nothing too crazy. The glitter is not really picking up on camera like I want it to, but that's okay. Okay, so these are the eyes. Getting to these eyes today, honey. That's a little slight rainbow. I am missing green, but that's okay. You got it? You got it? Okay. So basically today, as you guys can tell by the title, if you guys been rocking with me for a minute, then you guys know what hair this is. If you guys don't, definitely check out my initial unboxing video on this hair. This is the Mink Deep Wave by Melanin hair. Yeah, I'll leave that video in the description box. Before I get into the specs and details on this hair, how I feel about this hair, definitely subscribe. And after you finish watching, don't forget to comment and like and share. Okay, and if you have any questions, just comment them below and I'll answer them honestly. Okay, and yeah, I do have other videos, so many other videos with Melanin doll. I have the tight curly, Burmese curly, Mink Straight. So check all those videos out, which will be in the description box. Alright, and yeah, let's get into that. This here is the Mink Deep Wave. Okay, and all I did before filming, maybe like 5 hours before I started filming this video, I wet it and I brushed it with my my regular wig brush. And you know, you want to drench it in water. Okay, do not brush this hair. I repeat, let me bring y'all closer, cause y'all think I'm playing.
Do not brush this hair while it's dry. Always brush your curly hair or detangle your curly hair when it's wet. Oh, you got, okay, you got it.
The reason why I say that is because if you do that, it causes damage to the hair, the wefts, and that's not good. So, just get into these guys, ladies, this hair is really amazing. Like, just look at it. Curls all throughout the hair, and this is all the way up to 26 inches, guys. I am 5'8", and this hair is like waist length. So we're gonna get up and show you guys. All right, y'all see that little frame right there? Y'all see that? You see that? So yeah, it stops right here to me. Okay, that's where it stops. That's the 26 inches, and it gets longer once it's like stretched. Okay, so yeah, why are my boobies looking so big today? I don't understand what's going on. Like, I don't know. I did install this on a wig myself, and nothing crazy, you know. I did a little baby hairs or something. I put it on a regular dome cap, and it has an elastic band. I tweezed the part, and I did bleach the knots. I didn't record that because I have so many videos on me making wigs, and I'm not really good at the bleaching the knots part yet, so I didn't want to record that. But if you guys do want to see me making wigs, check the videos out. I have so many other wigs that I made with Melanin doll that you guys can check out. Okay, I got 5 bundles and 1 closure. The closure was 20 inches, and I got 1 22-inch, two 24s and two 26s. Okay, so that's why you guys see it, you know, up to my waist. And I freaking love it because I never really had longer hair. I never had hair longer than 22 inches. So when I got this hair, I was like, oh my god, this is my first time having long hair. And one thing I like about their bundles, guys, is all the bundles are the same amount. So it's like, it's full, and the curl pattern is amazing from the root to the tuda. Okay, from the root all the way to the end, the hair is amazing. It's really nice. Like, I'm not gonna front. If you guys been rocking with me for a minute, y'all know I'm a real, like, true, loyal Melanin doll customer, you know. Look at this. This hair is, look at that. Just look. Like, this hair does not need any explanation. I did just make this wig last week. So I installed it on the wig maybe 5 days ago. And honestly, no shedding. No shedding. I detangled this hair. Well, it wasn't tangled to begin with, but I defined the curls twice. And as I did that with the brush, no hair came out the brush at all. No hair. Like, even with me finger combing it, no hair. And honestly, guys, I don't need to finger comb it like that much at all, really. Like, it's just amazing. Like, okay, maybe a little snag here and there, but look at that. Just look. Guys, this hair is so cute, and this hair would be cute short too, but I just love how thick it is. So yeah, I got 5 bundles and 1 closure. I used 4.5 bundles. I still have some of the 5th bundle left, which is the 22 inch. I had like this much left from the hair, from the 22 inch. So you could basically say it's like almost 5 bundles in my head right now. Okay. And the one thing about this hair is it gets very big. So you do not even really need 5 bundles. You probably need 3 the most. Like, and if you have a small head, you probably just need 2 in a closure or a frontal, because this hair gets so big, guys. It gets so big. I like big hair, so I'll wear it big, or I'll wear it like this, defined. And this is not even fully defined. I just wet it, put some of this on it, which is the Mayel pomegranate and honey curling custard. I just put like a little bit in my hand, rub it together, brushed it all throughout the hair, let it dry, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. Okay, so you guys see how pretty the hair is. Like, I wish you guys can reach through the camera and actually touch the hair. Like, I just love hair, good quality curly hair that is easy to work with. And you know, people have to understand, when it comes to curly hair, you do have to take care of it. Like, you can't just wake up looking like this. You do have to, you know, keep the maintenance up. Okay, so I would say, honestly, you could do this to the hair probably like every 3 days. You know, it depends how slim you like the hair, how tame you like the hair. If you like the hair wild, then you know what to do. If you like the hair tame, then you would define it all the time. You know, and it dries pretty fast. It's still a little bit damp, and I just love this curl pattern. It's like a different type of mink deep wave. Like, it's like, I don't know, it's just a bomb ass deep wave. As I will definitely come back on here with a 3-month or 5-month review on this hair. I just wanted to come back on here and show you guys the hair while it was new, fresh, and slayed, honey. Okay, So let me know what you think about this hair. What is your favorite texture for Melanin Doll? Honestly, it's hard for me to choose right now. Like, notice everybody on Instagram is loving my hair too. So definitely check me out on Instagram. My name is GlamNefercent on Instagram. Same name as YouTube. Easy for you guys. That way you can see, you know, faster uploads and stuff like that. But honestly, I have no issues with this hair. It's amazing. It feels great. I really love it. Thank you so much, Melanin Doll. Oh, and guys, and if you do purchase any hair from them, definitely use my code GlamNefercent so you can get some money off your hair. I just can't stop staring. I don't know if it's the purple background in the back, but this hair, y'all, this hair is making me feel like I don't know what. Okay, this hair is making me feel like a goddess right now. Like, look at this. Hey, hey, hey. Perfect summer hair. You should definitely be fucking with Melanin Doll. They just poppin'. Yeah, guys. As I'm playing with it, I can just feel it getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Don't forget to show love in the comment section. And yeah, don't forget to love yourself first and keep it glamming. GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys. Mwah.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs, let's go. VQs. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Standard. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet